ESL, when you want to make something plural, there are a few different ways you can do so. You can simply repeat the sign by moving it over slightly each time. So if I was going to say, I'm going to ask my friends. So I could say friend, ask, 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 ask. Another way of doing so is to tell exactly how many of something that you do have. I have 3 dogs. You can also include a sign like several, many, or few. Another way is to pluralize using number incorporation, like I have 4 minutes left. Classifiers can also show something that is plural. You could show how many people are in a line, or you could show a large number of people in a stadium, or you could show millions of stars in the sky. Another way is to show a sweeping movement. Instead of signing he, and continuing to index, it becomes a sweep. They. If you want to say that there were a lot of books on a bookshelf, so you could sign book,